What's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here in the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know you're having a great day, baby. Man, the market's doing pretty good right now at the moment. We are looking at inflation, but guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, we're picking up, doing a lot of good things over here. Also, if you haven't, make sure you follow us on all different social medias, as you guys see, at The Crypto Black on all different social medias. Follow us, guys. You never know, we might drop the gems we will be dropping. So follow us. And if you are brand new cryptocurrency, make sure you come check out our website right here, cryptoblack.net. Take our 7-day beginners course, and you'll be all set and ready to go. Make sure I got this refreshed real quick, so I know we are good to go. Like we froze up for a little bit. Make sure we good to go. All right. We just on here. All right. So make sure you check out our website, cryptoblack.net. Get our beginners course. You bring the cryptocurrency, learn about staking, DeFi, crypto transactions, learn how to look at the market, guys, and how to do your own research. Learn about crypto security as well. It's a big thing going on. And learn how to read the blockchain, guys. A lot of people are like, man, my money, I don't know where stuff's going on. But you can read the blockchain. You know exactly where your money, where your crypto is going. Sometimes you just got to be patient. But, guys, join us tonight. Guys, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You go right to my Twitter. Click right over here, guys, and you'll be able to actually join us on our Twitter. Go on my Twitter and join us tonight on Clubhouse. My man Mike Miller and I will be talking about crypto and stocks. Guys, come in, join the conversation. Come talk to us, ask questions. We'll be talking about, regular events as well. You know what I mean? And how the different things are affecting the markets. So come over here, check us out, and let's see right here. Come over and check us out, and then, you know what I mean, we'll have a good time over on Clubhouse tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come on my Twitter, guys. Click right over here on this link, and be all set, ready to go, all right? So 6 p.m. Central Time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. We're going to see you guys tonight, all right? So, but man, the market has been moving. And man, we were making some good gains over here. So guys, and I already said the other day, hey man, I'm going to add more Avalanche to my portfolio. Said it, did it. We see what's going on with AVAX. But man, we're gonna talk about the U.S. inflation. Also, we'll talk about USDT volume as well on exchanges. So man, we'll get right to it. But let's talk about Bitcoin first. Bitcoin pushed up after inflation numbers came out. Bitcoin pushed up to, as you guys see here. Bitcoin had a high today of $24,178, up 4.14% for the week, and up 14.74% for the month. So guys, we are starting to itch up. But remember, we are back to where we pretty much was at the other day. On Monday, we had our video. So guys, like I said, we gotta close above this number. We haven't closed above the number, guys. You see, we pushed down. We haven't closed above. We got there, got close, but didn't close above it. Pushed down, and let's see today we can close above. We closed above it. We got some good volume coming in right now, guys, so that's a good thing. But let's see we can close above that number there, and then, and only then, we'll see what we can do from there, all right? And I said we can push up to about 25. After 25, there's going to be ultimately going to be over 28. And let's see if we can get to about 28 to 30,000 this month. Now, I think what could push us down could be, going on with China and Taiwan. But I talked about that months ago. I talked about it like in January. I talked about that as well. So that could mess up this month. I did tweet out, I think we have a bullish Ethereum. I'm sorry. Well, I'm gonna talk about those coins. We're gonna have a bullish August. But speaking of Ethereum, man, Ethereum is up. Ethereum is the money maker, guys. You want to make some money? Ethereum is the money maker, especially right now, this month. Pretty much after, well, even at the end of last month because of the merge. So ETH did push above my fib line right here. So guys, you see right here, 1797. I was in a nice long last night for ETH. I'm very happy with Ethereum right now. I was expecting these inflation numbers to be where they at. And well, not the exact number, but I was expecting them to come lower than the last month, and it did, and it worked out really well for me. So we did push up with Ethereum. Next stop, guys, we're at 1950. Looking at for Ethereum, let's see if we can push back up to 1950 over the next few days. All right, Asian market might push it up tonight. You never know. But let's see here. You want to have patience. In crypto, you want to have patience, especially in trading, period. All right? BNB, another good coin of mine that I really like. We got rejected right at my resistance that I had set up right here at 336.80. So we push above 336.80, guys. We go, it's going to be looking real nice for us on BNB, guys. Real nice. Because you see, it's not really too much that was stopping us. You're probably looking at for BNB, you're probably looking about 375, next resistance. And after that, you're on the way to 400. All right. So I did buy some more BNB as well. Got some more BNB. So yeah, I think it's going to be a nice little run for us. Like I said, the only thing that really messes us up is going to be that. It's going to be the Taiwan invasion, with China invasion to Taiwan. But also, guys, my game fan is working out perfectly for Cardano. As you guys can see right here, Cardano is up 7.46% for the week, up 15.31% for the month. People talk a lot of stuff about Cardano, but Cardano constantly performs well. And you guys can see right here, we bounced off of this. As you can see, we came back down here in May, and then down here as well. We bounced off this game fan, off the support. Pushing right back up. We're above the 50 on the daily. So we're all looking pretty good. So the goal is to get above this 55 cents. We get above this 55 cents, guys, I think we should be fine. We'll be cruising right in over 60 cents, guys. I think by 62, 63 could be a good look for us as well. So Cardano's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. All my favorite coins looking good. Even Litecoin looking good, guys. But so my two coins I think everybody should, that I'm going to be holding throughout and also buying more on any dips throughout August is going to be Ethereum and Cardano. We have the merge, and then we have the fork for and another upgrade for Cardano as well. So those two coins, I'm bullish. They're already 2 out of my 5 favorite coins. It makes it even better. They got things coming up, so I really like that. So those two coins, I'm going to be on a long swing and buying more during the dips. All right, you don't got to trade all the time. You just, just buy during the dips and then let it just ride up. All right, don't have a gambler's mentality, guys, when you're dealing with trading. Okay, you don't got to trade. That's how you lose. That's how you lose money. I'd rather just buy them through the dips than run up, and then I just chill. You know what I'm saying? Make my money. All right, but let's get right into it, man. It says inflation. Inflation says U.S. inflation slowed to 8.5% in July. CPI report shows Bitcoin jumps, as we've seen. Crypto markets responded positively after the slower than expected inflation reading, which takes some pressure off the Federal Reserve to continue to hike aggressively at the September meeting. And remember, guys, we don't have any Fed meetings this month. So the Feds will not. Let me take this off here. The Feds will not be meeting this month. So here we go. The Feds will not be meeting this month. So guys, you know what I mean? We got free reign. Today, you got certain days out of the month where you can really just run it up the market if you want to short or long the market. So you do have those days. So guys, just make sure to keep that in mind as well. But the Fed, no rate decision this month. So you got to take one of those days off the calendar, all right? So, but today was one of those days, CPI numbers, where the market just moves, right? And we've seen how the market just moved. And that's where we're making some money. But, guys, this was going to be great for us. It's going to be great for everybody. And I think the only thing that's going to stop with this right here, because the Fed, it got to be 2 CPI numbers before the Feds come out and do their decision, their rate decision. at in December. All right, that's the thing. Gotta be 2 CPI numbers, and that's what's gonna be really good for everybody. All right, so let's get right into it. So it says U.S. inflation slowed last month, possibly strengthening a widely held narrative that the worst of consumer price increases is behind the economy. So guys, do you think Bitcoin bottomed? We don't know. It could have. So let's just go right into it. So it says that Bitcoin BTC jumped 2% and Ethereum 7% in the minutes after the report, signaling a relief on the part of crypto traders that the Federal Reserve might be able to relax its aggressive approach to tightening monetary conditions. The Consumer Price Index surged 8.5% in July on a year-over-year basis, though it was unchanged from the previous month, partly thanks to lower energy prices, a report by the Bureau of Labor Statistics showed. Yeah, a lot of people, that's the thing. A lot of people is not really driving or not really, doing, out and about like that. Because people like, listen, there's no energy supply and demand, everything like that as well. But a lot of people is not doing it. A lot of people say, okay, cool. A lot of prices are coming down, gas and things like that coming down. A lot of people just not out and about and doing a whole bunch of stuff. So that's the reason why you're probably seeing, that's my theory, energy prices down. But, QT, we'll talk about it a little later too. But let's get right to it. So it says, stripping out food and energy prices because of their strong volatility, core CPI remained unchanged at 5.9% over the past 12 months, slightly missing expectations of 6.1%. Most cryptocurrencies across the board declined on Tuesday in anticipation of the report, with Bitcoin dropping at 4% to 23,100. After rising above 24K on Monday, Ethereum ETH fell over 5%. So it says, I think the market will continue to find confidence in the Fed staying on track with its proposed increases to the interest rates at the September meeting, and we will continue to see our relief rally pick up stream in the crypto market, said Howard Greenberg, crypto educator. So it says traders are now betting on 65% chance that the Fed will hike interest rates by 50 basis points in September, compared to 32% just one day ago, according to the CMI. Recently, traders have been seeing a 75 basis point hike at the likelier scenario after the jobs report last week showed that the economy is still in a very good shape to sustain more rate hikes. So it says the Fed will be cheered by the news, especially the fact that core inflation was lower than expected, said Richard Carter, head of fixed interest rates. Yeah. And that's the thing. The Feds, you still have another report. So, it's good right now. And I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm so happy, because the markets move up and we get richer off of this stuff here. But we don't want to go spiking the ball right now. We didn't score a touchdown yet. We didn't hit a home run, and we didn't shoot a 3 at the end of the game. All right? So you got to remember, this is an election year on that. You still got CPI numbers to come out next month. Then the Fed going to make the decision. Now with the stock market and what the markets really like, they like certainty and they like to be right. The markets don't like to be wrong. So the market today was expected by 8.7. We got 8.5. So that actually came lower than what they expected. So in regards to being better than what they expected. So the stock market is going to rally off of that. And all markets going to rally off of that. Asian market probably come in and go from there. Asian market tonight and go from there. And we all going to be happy off of that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we can see. That's what we like to see. But we don't want to go spiking the ball yet. We didn't hit a home run yet because we still got Fed meeting next month after the pretty much August. This month right here, numbers going to be in. So we don't want to go crazy yet. But it still is good news. So it's still good news. I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to make people mad and people sad. But I want people to learn and understand. September is traditionally a bad month in the markets. All right, I'm letting you know right now. September is traditionally a bad month in the markets. But let's make our money in August, baby. Make our money in August. But man, speaking of money, the stable coin, the number one stable coin in the markets in crypto, USDT Tether. You know what I'm saying? Man, USDC man had some news about with Tornado Cash and they gonna be freezing people's accounts and all that stuff like that. Man, I don't know, man. But so it says according to this sentiment, the high percentage of Tether on exchanges is a sign of 2-year high buying power on the market. So USDT volume on exchanges up 20%. I remember that guy, up 20%. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing, man. So people are actually going to be trading. So it says the ratio of Tether USDT on exchanges is up 20% in the last 3 months, according to sentiment. So the ratio of Tether on exchanges has gone from 19.7% on May 20th to a whopping 42% 3 months later. This can be viewed as both a signal that traders have taken profits and prices have rebounded, as well as a sign of a 2-year high in buying power. So, that's good, man. That's good. So it says the market intelligence platform tweeted that the ratio went up 19.7. We just said here. So it says, according to sentiment, this is a sign of 2-year high buying power, and also shows that traders have taken profits as the crypto markets rebounded in the last 3 months. USDT supply declined as investors redeemed the token during the thick of the bear market. The stablecoin issuer revealed it redeemed as much as $14 billion within 2 weeks. Meanwhile, Tether resumed minting on July 29th and added a few billion to its market cap since many in the crypto community consider an increase in stablecoin supply to be bullish signal. The Binance CZ says 3 of the top 10 are stablecoins, meaning there is a lot of fiat sitting sidelines ready to get back in, and people wanted to get out of crypto. Most won't hold stablecoins, and that is true. That is correct. If we want to be out of crypto, they would just cash out, cash out on whatever exchange they like to cash out on, send the money back to their bank account, and go from there. But no, people are saying, hey, look, man, listen, I'm gonna stay in crypto. I'm gonna stay on the sideline. I got the stable coins over here, and I want to. When it's time to get back in, I want to get back in, and that's what people are doing. They're jumping right back in, and they're saying, look, hey, the market's moving. Let me hop right back in. Let me buy. All right, and because like you said, if people, I learned a long time. Listen to CZ, man. Listen to CZ. Dude's normally right. He did pretty much everything right you need to do, and that's the thing. You look at, and that's what I do. I look at CoinMarketCap. I look down. And I see, okay, wow, all the stable coins. So all these billions of dollars is sitting sidelines just waiting to jump back in. So money shifts, guys. Money shifts. So the money will come out of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin. You know what I mean? And come out of those large cap coins, and then they will go into the stables, or people will cash out all together and send it back to their bank account. But if I see all this money sitting here in the stables sideline, I know, okay, cool. These people aren't just leaving the market; they just sitting sideline for right now. Now we've seen, $2 trillion leave the market. We've seen $2 trillion leave the market altogether. They took it out, cashed out, and they, buying boats and trips and Rolex watches and stuff. In which Rolexes, they say they start to see some more on the market now, because those people are trying to cash in because they need some money, because they bought all this stuff when they was coming up for the come up. Last year. But just something to think about that right there, guys. The money sitting sideline. So it says Crypto Slate research revealed that over $40 billion of stablecoins dry powder is waiting on the crypto market sidelines. However, BlockFI analyst Will Clemente holds a different opinion. So he says, in my opinion, this is the most compelling chart in crypto. When large amounts of stablecoins are on the sideline relative to crypto market cap, market participants have to chase the rally higher when there's a lot of stables deployed but no one left to buy. market runs out of new buyers. He believes that if the volume of the stablecoin circulation declines, demand in crypto asset rises. While there might be slightly different opinions on what the high supply of stablecoins might mean for the crypto market, Ethereum users will at least have nothing to worry about post-merge. The two largest stablecoin issuers have confirmed they only support Ethereum POS after the merge to avoid disruption in the community. Yeah, because a lot of people, they want to do their own thing, have their own little forks and all that other stuff, which is not going to be cool. It's not going to be cool afterwards. So that's just something right there you want to think about right there as well, guys. All these different little forks. But you've seen all the stable coins, everybody saying, look, and the main one saying, hey, look, we're going to support the merge. Chainlink said we're going to support the merge. The Ethereum, this is the Ethereum, we're going to support this merge. And all the other forks, they want to come out afterwards, not going to be supported, which is good for the crypto space. So we don't have to worry about a whole bunch of stuff going on, but this and that and that and this, it's just not good for the space. All right. So, but man, this definitely going to be something to where we can, we're going to sink our teeth in. I think the merge is going to be good for a lot of people to make good money in regards to who's holding that ETH. And another thing I want to put to bed too. A lot of fake news, shall I say? A lot of people are saying, "Oh yeah, when the merge comes, all these Ethereum that was on a beacon chain, that were being staked on a beacon chain, it will be released, and all people going to, since they've been holding the coins for almost 2 years, they're going to sell them, and then ETH going to drop like crazy." Wrong. Wrong. Because your release is going to come at different times. They're going to release all the stake at the same time. It's going to be at different times. All right. So it's not going to be for that reason. It's not going to be, oh yeah, free to reign. You've been holding your coins for the last 2 years, and you can just sell them all right now at the same time. Everybody, come on, all for one for all sell it. No. Wrong. So guys, make sure you are getting your information right, and don't be too nervous about that, because everybody's not going to be dumping their coins at the same exact time on a beacon chain. After the beacon chain, whoever was staking on the beacon chain for ETH 2. All right, it's going to be at different times. Your coin is going to be the coin is going to be released, and you can do whatever you want with them afterwards. But everybody not going to get it all at the same time. But to everybody else out there, man, we'll have a good time in this market. Like I said, the only thing I see messing up everything will be China invading Taiwan. And in this month here, could they do it next month? We don't know. September traditionally is a bad month for the markets. So could it be next month? I don't want anybody doing the invasion. Hopefully everything be as peaceful as possible. But, we're seeing what's going on, right? And we're seeing the tension. The tension been brewing all year. So, it's just only a matter of time. I think when the Speaker of the House went over there to Taiwan, I think that was the straw that broke the camel's back. So, but yeah, man. You guys have any questions? We'll do a Q&A real quick. But if not, man, we'll get up off of here. And, man, we're going to have some fun, man. And everybody, again, make sure on Clubhouse tonight, man, my man Mike Miller and I are going to be talking about stocks and crypto. So people that want to learn and want to know about stocks and crypto, come over and holler at us, man. We're going to be over here. We're over here chopping it up, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's something that you don't want to miss. But I want you guys to check out, and we had it. We talked about it. We talked about it last month, but people gotta understand, man. It's gonna be a movie tomorrow. It's gonna be a movie Friday. Rutgers Park, baby, the Bitcoin Classic. The Bitcoin Classic, baby, at Rutgers Park, August 11th, 12th. Rutgers Park. What's up, baby? NYC. I'm going to see you guys out there. It's gonna be a lot of different special people out there in the crypto space. So make sure you guys go out there. I know they're giving out 20K in Bitcoin. 20K in Bitcoin they're giving out to the winners. Be a lot of good basketball. Summertime in the park in New York City. Doesn't get any better than this. Bitcoin, which call it the summertime, New York City, Harlem. It doesn't get any better than this, baby. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to everybody, the whole team, the whole Bitcoin Classic team, man. It's gonna be crazy. And you guys go back on our channel and watch my actual interview with the owner of the Bitcoin Classic, the founder of Bitcoin Classic, my man Yusuf. So make sure you guys go out there, check it out, and then, see exactly what's going on. But man, to all my people in the tri-state area, if you inside New York, you inside what's called a Jersey, you in DC, even if you in Philly, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all come up. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna be out there. But we're gonna have some good time out there, guys. And I'm gonna go from there. But let's get right to the questions. So it says, so can we expect the short crypto during September? I normally do. I normally short crypto during December. You're going to see nice good dips inside December, traditionally. So, let me just show traditional, so you can see it for yourself. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, September usually a bad month. You see right here, September 6th. You see this week here, big dip. Looking at right at 17% dip right there in that week right there alone. And this one here is another 15.72 dip. You see what happens. And after that dip, that's why I like to buy the dip, not just ride up. You know what I mean? And let's try to go the year prior. So that was 2021. And let's try to go to 2020. And then big into August, going into September. And we bought that dip. That was towards the end. The last 2 weeks towards the end. August, you had a nice little dip going into September. And then right at the end, you had these nice dips here. It's all about buying those dips during September. That was 8, and we was really running right into that, into the bull market. And you look at 10% right there, 2 weeks in a row, and then you see what happened afterwards. That's why we like to buy the dips during September, and then let it run up October, November. Cause it's just easy trading after that. Yeah, this one here, yeah. And this here is the alligator. Some people call it a ribbon. So yeah, this is moving averages. Yep. So some people call it a ribbon. These are just moving averages here. What we call I know my man Jamar like to call it the alligator strategy. So make sure if you are in DCG Trading Group, make sure you guys are looking at the video so you can see how to utilize the moving averages. And then you're able to actually if you're a swing trader, it helps out a lot for swing traders. Day traders, I wouldn't really do it, but for swing traders, yeah. So if you're in swings, it works out good inside the if you'll be a swing trader. But King is support resistance. That's going to definitely get you where you want to be at. I really like that. Camarilla, Fibs, it teaches you to be disciplined. And with moving averages, you can use that support resistance as well. So if you want to be trading, you say, okay, cool. You can trade up to here, 28,000. Well, you see it lines right up with my fib. Anyway, so it's like different indicators do a lot of them can give you the same exact answer. You know what I mean? It's like talking different languages. You know, you're saying the same thing, we're just saying it in a different way. You know, in a different language. We still get to the same conclusion. So it says, see right here. What do you do for your profit, swing trade or day trade, and what minute candle? On my swing trade, I like the daily charts. It just plays out good. I draw my support and my resistance, and if I'm taking profits, I'm taking profits here. So you see, I have my alert right here set up. I know to get back inside this trade. If we push up above this number here, and then I'll look at it, and I know to get back inside the trade. But and then I have my support resistance lined up. And if I'm buying in, my next resistance, if this pushes up past here, I know we get past the previous resistance. I'm still seeing volume coming in to the market and above average volume. Then I'm taking my trade up to here, and I'll be selling here. I'll sell right here at 28,000. 5 minute on the 5 minute charts on the daily. So on the on the 5 minute charts on the day trade side. I like the 5 minute chart. But man, Mike Miller like that. So he got me trading 5 minutes. I never traded 5 minutes till I started hollering at my man Mike Miller. Like 5 minutes? What? I think the lowest I ever traded was like maybe a half an hour. Maybe. I don't even think that. Usually it was an hour. But I really like the hours on the day trades as well. Especially buying on, if you're using the moving averages, you know, you can look into the 1 hour. I like trading the moving averages on the 1 hour and then you can buy. I like to buy. It's just support resistance as well, but you can buy on the 7-day moving average, or you can buy on the 20-day. So if you're trading like that, I like doing that as well, and catch that bounce and let it push right back up again. But you see right here, I already had the support. I mean, you see everything lines up the same way, regardless. You know what I mean? This support was here for a long time, right here. You know, this resistance basically was here, but you know, because this support turned to resistance here, and we see that the CPI numbers earlier pushes up, and then it's the same exact thing. Do I buy on support here or the 7-day moving average? It's the same exact thing. So that's how you look at it. You know what I mean? Like I said, you can have different indicators, and it does the same exact thing for you. So it depends on what you're comfortable with. If you like using moving averages, you can do that. If you like using support resistance, which I really like support and resistance, it really helps me with trading, keeps me disciplined as well. If I'm going to be doing day trade, I know to get out the market. Like ETH, you know, like I said, I bought my ETH last night and I held it, and you know, I turned to a no loss trade. I pulled my stop loss above when I bought it, and I just let it ride, baby. It rolled. So it says, so you pay attention to CoinMarketCap and the volume going in a particular coin to support your trades and whether to enter that trade. Yep, I pay attention to CoinMarketCap. I want to see that volume coming to the market. Well, crypto tells you a story, and then also I like to look at the volume on the chart here as well. So if I see above average volume, above this cloud right here, then I'm able to actually, get into it. And plus, it's looking at the market. Everything is just green. Everything is green. Everything's running. You know, like today, CPI numbers came out better than expected. You know, it is what it is. It's like, you know, if Dave Chappelle walk into the room and start talking, you know what I mean? People are already gonna have a smile on their face and they expect something funny out of him. You know what I mean? For him to say something. Then all of a sudden he starts telling jokes. People start laughing. Everybody having a good time. It's like, you know, you gotta do what the market's telling you it's gonna do. The market gonna pay you. You just gotta wait for it to pay you. Like, you know what I mean? You can't be going crazy. So just like that, those type of things there you want to look at. You look into CoinMarketCap, which I really like. You want to look at that's like the Billboard, 100, of the crypto space, and then I go over that a lot in my beginners course as well. So, CoinMarketCap, you want to look at the sentiment in the market. You know what I mean? What's going on? The day, you know what I mean? Sundays usually dip buy days, so it's not traditionally not days you really want to long. If you're going to be doing leverage trading, and if you're brand new to trading, I wouldn't suggest you do leverage trading. I would suggest you learn how to trade first, then do leverage trading. You'll get your ass spanked. If you don't know how to trade and you're doing leverage trading and you don't got your emotions intact, you'll get your ass spanked. You're going to blow your account. So I suggest try trading first if you don't know how to trade. Then trade, learn how to trade. The market's not going anywhere. Learn how to trade, learn to get your emotions intact. And then after you got your emotions intact, where you're like, look, I'm going to sell at my resistance. You know what I mean? Like, so let's just say, for example, you're in this trade and, you know what I mean, you're trading Bitcoin. Do you get out at the top or you get out right here? Like, you know what I mean? And the liar is going to say, yeah, I sold right here. People that are lying is going to say, yeah, I sold right here. But people that tell the truth and actually got their stuff intact going to say, yeah, I had my support and resistance here for months or weeks. You know what I mean? Whoever had it. But me, I had my stuff here for a while. And I bought here and I sold here. You know what I mean? During this time, you know what I mean? When it pushed down here and I bought it on the August the 9th, you know what I mean? And all these hours and waited and it pushed up. There you go. You made 4.76%. And that's what when you start being that disciplined and saying, okay, cool, I got my support, my resistance, I'm gonna sell it there, then I'm fine. But if you think it's gonna keep going up and up and up and up and up, especially in this market, you're gonna have bullish periods during the bear market. That's just how it is. So let's go. All right. So is Ripple a good accumulation crypto? In the news at the SEC? Absolutely not. I mean, Ripple haven't. I know I got Ripple fanboys, fangirls out there, but Ripple has not hit an all-time high since the beginning of 2018. I just don't understand why this fascination people have with this coin. I really don't. I know what it was in the beginning. It was because it was a cheap coin. It was, you go look at coinmarketcap.com, you seen the top 10 coins, you seen Bitcoin. It was at that time Bitcoin, $3,000-$4,000. You seen Ethereum at like a few $100. You seen Litecoin under $100. Like, and that's how it was with like on Coinbase. You had just those three coins, and people would go in, they'll automatically buy Litecoin. Like, I can't buy a whole Bitcoin, I buy Litecoin. And then you looking at CoinMarketCap, and then people automatically what they did, they bought XRP because it was the cheapest coin that you seen top 10. It was just that simple. And then people just was like, hey, I'm buying this. Oh, I got 4,000 of these, and it made them feel good. Ripple moved with the market. Ripple moved with the market. And during that 2017 bull run, I get it. People made money, but a lot of people lost money. More people lost money than made, because they held and they kept holding, and it wasn't good, and it hasn't came to all-time high. All the other coins that they looked at came to all-time highs. They doubled the all-time highs, tripled the all-time, quadruple the all-time highs. So I don't get why people just stay with these coins that just don't do anything. But that's what you call investing. In a market that goes from 120 billion to 3 trillion, you still holding the same coin, didn't hit an all-time high. And I don't know what to tell you. You know what I'm saying? It's like sticking in a city that ain't going nowhere. It's a waste plant, and all these new cities getting built. You know what I mean? 20 miles this way, 10 miles that way, 50 miles that way, and they building, Detroit and Chicago and LA and everything like that, and New York City and all this other. They building all these big cities, all throughout. You know what I mean? Around you, all throughout the country and all throughout that whole area. And I mean, and that whole industry you in, and you're just sitting on the sideline like, one day it's gonna come back. One day we're gonna get big. It just, it's leave the city alone. Go and build in the bigger cities, man. You know what I mean? And then guess what? If it start popping over there again, you can go back. But I can't tell people. I'm past that stage of trying to tell people. Past the stage of telling people, what to do with their money. I just let the charts do the talking. So, do you teach how to trade in your course? No. I teach people how to do their own research. I teach people how to teach people about the charts. I teach people how to crypto security. So crypto security, reading charts, DeFi and staking. I teach you how to fish. But man, I answer all the questions, man. Come tonight on our on Clubhouse. Come tonight on Clubhouse, and then you'll be able to see exactly what we're going to be talking about Clubhouse, and then chop it up with us, man. Ask your questions. My man Mike Miller and I. But me, I'm more of a strategy type of guy. I'm more of a investor. I'm an investor. You know what I mean? And that's how I am. I like to invest in good things, and they go up, 10,000%. That's the type of things I like to do. Cause I like to be realistic. I know people are coming in brand new. A lot of people come in brand new, think they're gonna just be a master trader. They're gonna be like Warren Buffett. They're gonna be like Nancy Pelosi's husband, the best trader ever, in the history of the world. You know what I mean? And I like people to get in the right projects. I like people to get in the projects they actually like and understand. I should be able to come to you and ask you, if you say, yeah, I'm in this coin, what is it about that coin? What is that coin? You should be able to break down everything to me about that coin. You should be able to break everything down to me about that coin you really like. What makes you like it? If you say, I like it because it's going to go up. All right. That's not a good answer for me. But yeah, man, shout out to everybody that's over here in the live. Good questions, though. Great questions. I really like the questions. I like the interaction. So, well, man, we about to finish this live right here. Been on for 45 minutes. But yeah, man, come back next week. Next week, I'm live every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here answering any questions. But guys, holler us on tonight, man. You want to get the conversation going? We're gonna have a conversation tonight. It's not gonna be sit back, listen, It could be a conversation. We're gonna chop it up, but you have knowledge in the building on that Clubhouse tonight. So, man, it's gonna be a lot of fun. That stake is it's the long game. Staking is long game. Again, you got trading. Cause a lot of people say it's shorting. A lot of people say, "Oh, I'm going to short." But what happens when you short and it does this? You know what I mean? It's all about the timing. Like when we had that call back in May, right? It's the right time. I knew during that time what market we was in. My man Mike knew what market we was in. Everybody else was talking. A lot of people just was talking, still trying to trade regular. So I knew at that time what kind of market we was in. Just like last year, I knew what time market we was in. Last year, May, when the market dumped. So let's go back to last year real quick. So last year, I knew what market we was in. Let's go to the weekly though. See a better picture. Paint a better picture. Paint a picture with words, baby. So last year, we ran up last year, right? I knew what market we was in. So what did I do last year? during the summertime, I was looking for DeFi. I was looking for what was paying me in regards to, 1%, 2%, 3%. I knew the ecosystems. I knew all that stuff was coming up. I knew it was blowing up. I knew Avalanche. I knew Solana. I knew all of them. You know what I mean? I knew what market I was in. Phantom. I knew all of them. You know what I'm saying? And I was able to call out different shit coins during that time. On top of that, I knew what market we was in. So I knew, okay, cool. I'll get these different coins during these different times. While nobody really paying attention to it. Everybody's still trying to trade regular. So I was like, let me hop in this DeFi, find all different ecosystems, see all these new coins coming out, and I was able to capitalize on that. And then, guess what happens? When the market start turning back, you don't do that no more. You chill, and you go back to what's working. And then there you go. You see what I'm saying? Push up. So I knew we was in a downward market. We short. I said, okay, cool. We're going to short the next few months. And that's what happened. We shortened, because we knew what exactly was going on. And now if you're in a bullish period right now, period, not market, bullish period, you don't want to keep looking at shorts because it sounds good. Short. Yeah, during this time we short. You know what I mean? You're looking at, when we had these calls, you're looking at what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 weeks, 7 or 8 weeks you had, red weeks. You had short weeks, the weeks that you can short. But you can't be talking about short when you're looking at it like this, these weeks. You see what I'm saying? So this is why you want to be able to understand what market you're in. And you have a lot of people out here that's telling people one thing when it's another. And you got to recognize the market that you're in. If you don't know the market that you're in, you're gonna be screwed because you're trying to do one thing or another. It's like that person, you're like, this motherfucker think he's still in 2005. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you got to catch up with the times. So what staking is always, to me, gonna be more profitable. But you gotta be staking the right coins. Staking a coin ain't gonna be nothing in two or 3 years. Is nothing. Don't mean anything. But staking the right coins, that's gonna be blow up in 3 or 4 years. You playing a long game, and there you go. When you keep trying to trade and short, and you lose 400, you lose 1,000, you lose this and lose that, then that's what's gonna happen. You're gonna be screwed. But what I like to do, I like to actually look at the coins that that I actually like in the long-term projects that's going to really blow up. Just imagine you got a whole bunch of ETH. Imagine people that staking ETH. You know what I mean? You get a lot of free ETH. You know what I'm saying? A lot of free BNB. Look at all the miners, people that was mining Bitcoin for all these years. And when Bitcoin, they was getting, a few Bitcoin a day. Mining Bitcoin in the early years. Look at them now. Those type of things you want to look out for. So it all depends on your plan, but just don't get too wrapped up in shorting because, imagine you short. Imagine you short here on a support line. Nice, good support line. You short it. And look, you're not happy. You're not happy right now. You're quite upset. But, man, I'm going to get up out of here, man. Shout out to everybody that was here in the chat. Much love to everybody. See me tonight. My man Mike Miller and a lot of other people are going to be on that call, man. There'll be a lot of good, smart people on that call. See me tonight. We're going to chop it up. We have a good conversation tonight on that actual call on Clubhouse. And, man, I'm going to see you guys. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chills. You got Crypto Chuck. Here to Group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.